I'm Chef Tone, and this week's recipe once again is brought to you by our good mates at Retravision. Now this week we're going to be making crepes. It's one of our favourites in our household. Every Sunday is a tradition. It's crepes at our house, fresh lemons, maple syrup, all that sort of stuff. We just love them. And it actually reminds me when I was a young lad, when I first started my apprenticeship at Louis, we used to make crepes, and every day the chef used to come along and I'd make probably 30, 40 crepes, and he'd come and put his finger through the ones that weren't perfectly cooked. So nowadays I'm pretty good at it. All right, let's start with some eggs. Nice farm fresh eggs, straight from our chickens. Very lucky. So we're doing about just under 1 egg per person. So I'm going to put 3 eggs in today. Bit of butter. Butter goes in there. We're just going to burn the butter. Burn the ones that it's called in French. So basically it's a burnt butter. It's not actually burnt, but it's cooked to a nut brown. It gives you a nice nutty flavour through the crepes, okay? Also helps them not stick. All right, what we do now, we just whisk up these eggs, like so. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. Just a wee bit, like so. A bit of vanilla essence. Just a couple of drops of that, or if you've got beautiful fresh vanilla bean, even better. Okay, drop that in so. Give that a little whisk, and then flour, okay? So all we're going to do is just slowly adding the flour, bit by bit. And if you have a look at that, I haven't added it all together, I'm just bringing it in a little bit at a time. You'll see it all around the edges. Just going to bring it in a little bit at a time. If you add it all at once, what's going to happen, you end up with lumps. You don't want lumpy crepes. No one wants that. Okay. Trust me, your wives and girlfriends and husbands and children are going to love this on a Sunday morning. Okay, so we're just getting a batter, basically a batter. Okay, so just enough flour, plain flour, not self-raising, but plain. Okay. What I love about this is, once again, quick and easy. Everyone loves them. My family come down from Perth, they just all over it. Okay, can you see that? That's the consistency we're looking for at this stage. Okay, so nice little batter. Now, we'll just wait for our butter, make sure that's nice and hot and sizzling. Fresh milk, okay. Like in the country, we can still get in the bottle. Beautiful fresh milk there. Little bit at a time, once again, so we don't get lumps, okay? Just a little bit. Now, one of my favourite Retravision shops is in Bunbury. Of course, I love the one in Margaret River as well, Busselton, because I'm a local around here. But the one in Bunbury, I tell you, they have got the best cooking range for all this sort of stuff here too. So look up the guys there at Retravision in Bunbury if you're chasing good cooking stuff. Okay. So, see that now? That's the consistency we're looking for. Okay. Now butter's starting to get it, just starting to sizzle. You can hear it sizzling in the background there, okay? So we're going to get a nice sizzle. We just want it to go a little light brown colour, okay? So not burnt, but not yellow. Okay, there we go. So you got that nice brown colour, see that? It's nice and brown in there. And the smell, the aroma is just, oh. Okay, so we just pour it. Make sure you're mixing the whole time, because you're pouring in hot butter, and what will happen, you'll get little cooked bits in your batter. So just like so, and that's it. Batter done. Okay, so here we go. Nice hot pan, a little bit of grease in there, a little spray. Now 3/4 of a ladle. If you watch that closely, you can see me. Just nice and thin all the way around like that. And all you're going to do is wait for it to cook. Okay? So once it's cooked on one side, we flip it over, cook it on the other side, that's it. Now, can I make a suggestion? If you're going to do it for the family, get a couple of pans at least going at once, because you're not going to keep up with them. And you're going to have arguments at the dinner table of, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine. So make sure you're ready to go and you start rocking pretty quickly. All right, so see that? It's just starting to come away. If you're going to come closer and have a quick look at that, you'll see it's starting to come away there. Can you see that? Okay. Then all I'm going to do is flip it. You can see how thin that is. Beautiful and thin. Okay. Just like so. Let's get a nice golden brown. So it's nice and soft. If you cook it too much, it'll go crispy, okay? We don't really want it crispy, so just a little bit, just nice and brown like so. And then all we got to do is flip it out. And here's the fun part. Turn around, grab your pan, over to your plate, and all you got to do, sometimes you got to give it a tap. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Come closer, have a look at this. That is look at that, you can see through the beautiful crepe. Okay, a little squeeze of lemon, straight off the trees out the backyard. It's actually the neighbour's yard, I pinched them. A little bit of sugar. And that is your crepe ready to go. This recipe is brought to you by Retravision. Have a great day.